Close your eyes and picture a tiny dorm room. Posters on the wall, a half-finished essay, and a small drawer full of secrets. Maya, a curious 19-year-old biology major, opens that drawer at midnight. Inside, a sleek vibrator, a small amber bottle labeled sensual oil, a tube of numbing cream from a party prank, and a pack of condoms. She pauses. What to trust? What could make tonight brilliant or end badly? This is where toxicology meets self-pleasure. Toxicology is the study of how chemicals affect living bodies. When you apply, inhale, swallow, or absorb something during sex, your nerves, blood vessels, and hormones react. Sometimes that reaction is delightful. Sometimes it's dangerous. Let's walk through the quick, juicy science you wish someone told you in freshman year. First, sensation is a conversation between skin and brain. Blood flow, temperature, and nerve signals are the language. Alcohol and many sedatives quiet nerves and lower sensitivity. They can make you looser about doing things, but less able to feel climax. Antidepressants change serotonin and can blunt orgasm. Cannabis, for some, it brightens pleasure. For others, it dulls focus. Everyone's chemistry is different. Curious? Track your experiences like a scientist. One night, one substance, one no. Second, topical stuff. Oils, lotions, menthol, numbing cream speaks directly to skin. Essential oils can smell great, but often irritate mucous membrane. Numbing sprays or creams with benzocaine can reduce feelings so much you injure yourself without noticing. Products with strong menthol or capsaicin cause burn, like pain for sensitive areas. Rule of thumb, do a patch test on your inner forearm. If it stings, don't use it on genitals. Third, toys and materials are chemistry too. Cheap plastics often contain phthalates, chemicals linked to hormonal distress. Porous materials soak up fluids and bacteria and are impossible to fully sanitize. Choose medical-grade silicone, stainless steel, or glass for easier cleaning. Use condoms on shared toys. Clean toys with warm water and mild soap, or boil silicone tools when safe. Avoid harsh cleaners like bleach on toys. They can leave residues that irritate. Fourth, lubricant science. Water-based lubes are safe, with everything that dry out faster. Silicone lubes are slick and last long, but ruin silicone toys. Oil-based products break latex condoms and can create a breeding ground for yeast. Match your lube to the toy and the barrier method. Fifth, inhalants and risky mixes. Poppers, amyl nitrate, dilate blood vessels, and can dangerously drop blood pressure. Never mix poppers with erectile dysfunction drugs. That combo can be life-threatening. Be cautious with DIY mixtures or pills bought from unknown sellers. Your body is not a chemistry experiment without supervision. Finally, prevention and power. Read labels like a pro. If a product doesn't list ingredients, think twice. Patch, test new things. Store toys clean and dry. If you try something that feels wrong, burning, numb beyond normal, bleeding, stop and seek help. Your curiosity is brilliant, your safety is sexy. Maya sets the bottle aside, reaches for a condom, checks the toy's material, and chooses a water-based lube. She experiments mindfully, writes a quick note on her phone about what felt good and what flared, and sleeps with a smile. You can be like Maya, curious, adventurous, and armed with toxicology, savvy. The science of sensation makes exploration smarter and much more fun. Want to learn more? Start with labels, simple tests, and a rule for every midnight chore. If in doubt, leave it out.